Friends, in this lecture we will going to discuss about the arc flash analysis, how we can run the arc flash analysis on the Etap. We are taking an example and we will run the arc flash analysis on Etap software and see the results of the arc flash analysis. And we will also see how we can generate these labels. You can see here are the arc flash boundary indicated, incident energy is indicated, working distance is indicated, limited approach boundary is indicated, and restricted boundary approach boundary is indicated. How we can generate these things in the Etap? In this lecture, we are going to discuss this thing. So watch the video completely so that you can learn these things. This is the example we are going to discuss. We are going to perform the arc flash analysis. You can see the results of arc flash analysis are calculation of incident energy, defining the energy level, calculation of limited body approach. The main purpose of arc flash analysis is to determine PPEs. We are presently in the editor mode, and this is the bus 1, this bus 2, and bus 3. We can double click on the bus 1 and go to there are two tabs. One is rating page and another is arc flash. First you go to the rating page and we have selected here a bus 1 as a switch gear and tick the enclosure isolation, and we have selected the standard IEC, and these are the arc flash parameters. This is the gap between the conductors and this is the expector. It is by default taken by as per the standard by the software, and this is the limited body approach as per the NFVA 70E, and click OK. Yes. This is the bus 2 and we have going to rating page, and this is the arc flash parameters, and here we are taking it as a type of switch gear is switchboard, and this is the same thing which we has discussed in the bus 1, and click on the arc flash. You can see this is the arc flash result is actually I have performed the arc flash before this lecture, that is why these results has calculated here. When you open the first before the arc for performing the arc flash analysis, you will see these are the black. Here the method is used to IEEE 1584 20002. You can select any other method also and click OK. And this is the bus third, and we have selected it as a MCC type switchgear. Remaining things are same for all buses. Now click on the arc flash tab. This is the arc flash tab, and click on the arc flash tab and go to the editor mode. There is the method one in first is the info page. This is similar like a short circuit window. Same is like it's like that. We have faulted buses, bus 1, bus 2, bus 3. All the buses are faulted. Here the method, in the method tab, you can select either IEEE 1584 or 2018 or IEEE 1584-2002. In the first method, we have calculated by IEEE for 1584-202, which are the results you are seeing in the uh, buses. Now we can change the voltage. Yes, method we can select now IEEE 158201.8, and this is the clearing time. This is the by default coming IEEE 208. You can take as per the clearing time as per the IEEE 1584-2014. These are the parameters. These are the adjustments, access standard, alert, or all these things. You can click OK. Now perform the arc flash analysis. The arc flash tab, you can run the arc flash here. Do not show this. Okay. These are the results of arc flash. You can see this is the uh, AII. This is the arcing current, and this is the level 2. This is the energy level, and this is the approach boundary, and this is the arc flash boundary, and this is the incident energy. All the buses are shown here, so you can see this is like this 87. This is the RF flash results here. We see, you can see here display RF flash analyzer is another tab. You can analyze, you can select from here the worst case of RF flash, and no, there is another thing display. You can see there is a complete display in labels. You can click labels and select a label as per your requirement. Suppose we can select any label, and you can select it to PDF viewer. We can select flow first of viewer. We see the one thing. This is the arc flash type of label. If you select it as a one thing, I will show you 1 minute report. You can label and you select as a PDF and take this one and click OK. This is you can select this C there. This is the labels you are going to paste on your switch gears. See, this is the arc flash boundary, incident energy, and working distance, and level of energy is level D is shock voltage is this written, and limited boundary approaches noted here. Restricted boundary approaches. All the things are information is given here. This is how we can generate the labels for our switch gear. Okay, if can we can see one more thing. We can see summary, RF flash summary, and incident energy, and PDF, and click OK. What we see, we will see the this is the result of the RF flash incident energy at bus 1, bus 2, bus 3. All the things are shown here. This is how you can export the results of RF flash. Thank you.